We will try. Good. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Bravo. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 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 Bravo. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3. From the beginning. Once again. 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Bravo. Basic, basic, basic. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 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 Change the partners. Change the partners. Ready? 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Go! 3, 4 and 1, 2, 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 3, 4 and 1. Okay, change the partners. Change the partners faster. Come on, come on, come on, change. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 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 1. The last time we will change the partners very fast. Change quickly. Now we're starting. 2, 3, 4, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, go. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 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 2, 3. This side of the hall are the winners of National Championship of Philippines Changing of the Partners 2023. Okay, thank you. Okay, return to your partner if you will still remember. Oh, this part of the hall are the winners. So, once again, the subject is choreography.